Fish on, guys. I had to switch up the worm to a little Ned style. Nice smallie. Really nice one, actually. There's a bunch of them behind him. Wow. 3 or 4 fish just came out of nowhere chasing him. Oh, he popped off. Got one. Oh, that's a really nice one. It's a big one. Oh yeah. Big one out of a deep hole with a lot of current here. And again, small bites all day. Besides the first one, bunch of small ones. Now we hook up to a really nice one. I'm gonna call this pretty much landed if we get him right here, because I don't know how I'm gonna even. There's another big one behind him. Not sure how I'm gonna even get him up. Look at the size of this one. That's a nice one. 2+ pounder, super fat and healthy. He's nice and ice cold with this little creek water in here. Gosh, that's a nice fish, man. First one of the day, we'll take it. I do got to give him a toss because I am like 10 feet off the bank up here, so I can't really get down there for a release. I do got to give him a toss. There he goes. Heck yeah, first one of the day. We'll take that one. There was an even bigger one following him after a minute too. He started hearing the commotion near the shore, and he came and checked it out. Way down we go. Oh, oh. Alright. Nice little hole. I already see some tiny smallmouth. Like tiny 2 inches. Oh my god, he ate it so fast. Oh, that's a bigger one, just came out of nowhere. Not even kidding. What the heck? No way that just happened, guys. Oh my gosh, don't scare all the other ones down there. What the heck? Dude, there was like 4 small ones. A little 2-incher came and ate it. Oh, there's another one behind him, guys. Another solid one behind it. What is happening? He's chasing him. He's just... Wow. A little over 1.5 pounds. Little Ned worm. I'm using a little Temu one. These are just like the Z-Man one, guys, just for way cheaper. Still using these guys. I bought a bunch of them, like Morning Dawn on a little Ned head, just unpainted. Second one of the day. Got nice and cloudy out here too, so I'm hoping the bite will pick up a little bit here. We'll get them back. I seen a couple little small ones. I mean, like this big. I've been getting a lot of bites like that on those style fish, and I was like, maybe I'll try to catch one. There he goes. I was gonna try to catch one, and the first little flip in there, sure enough, he tried to eat it. I missed. I cast it back in there, and then that fish came out of absolutely nowhere. That was absolutely crazy. That was crazy. How'd I just get caught right there? Come on. Moving on to another hole. Moving on to another hole. The most popular hole here. It's It's even mowed and cut down for people now. I love it. Let's catch them right on the outskirts in the current. Right there. Fish on. I tied on a little spinner. That's what everybody's been throwing in here. And look at that. It's actually a little largemouth. Wow. Little largemouth on the inline spinner. Now this is about the size that I've been seeing come up and eat some of my Ned rigs. But most of them have been smallmouth. Now we got a little largie. He's fat and healthy.